Hi guys, I'm back after 2 months and I'm back with a big thank you for 1000 plus subscribers. About a month or two ago, I got my first 500 subscribers and it took just about 2 months for me to get the next 500 subscribers. So I think that's really great and I just want to thank you all for the support for this channel. So today I'm showing you a painting I did for a friend's daughter, and this was done using acrylics. And I think she's about 3 years and she likes ballerina and she likes pink. So I thought I'll show you how I painted this one. And this video is a bit of a catch up because I have been super busy and I couldn't do a lot of videos or a lot of paintings in the past few months. I took a small break from YouTube to work on my first illustrated children's book. So it became the #1 new release on Amazon under several different children's book categories. So if you guys like to check it out, I have added the link in the video description below. And this book is about helping your child understand the value of nature and how to use your natural resources in a sustainable way. So please go and check it out, and if you guys have the time, please leave a review as well. Alright, so this is gonna be a quick video just to catch up and show you what I've been up to, and also thank you for 1000 plus subscribers. Next week I have oil pastel videos lined up for you, so please do subscribe to my channel if you like to check them out, and also please click the bell icon so that you get notified when I post new videos. Thanks for watching this and I'll see you next time. Bye.